Felix class. I'm back for day 2 of my Easter origami ideas. This time we're going to make a little egg cup, which you can fill with a normal chicken egg or even a chocolate egg, whichever you prefer. So we're going to have a go at making one of those today. They are much better with patterned or coloured paper, but I didn't have any, so I just decorated mine. So you can do the same if you want to. Again, all you need is another A4 piece of paper. And the first thing you need to do is to make a square. So again, if you make a triangle by folding over the short edge to match up with the long edge, I'm cutting this spare bit off. And then you need to open it back up so that you have got your square. You're going to fold it in half to make the first rectangle. So match up the edges as closely as you can. And then you're going to fold that again in half so that you have got your square into quarters. And then if you open it back up so that you've got your first rectangle that you had, and you're going to fold each of these ends into the fold in the middle to make this rectangle into 4 equal pieces. Do the same on this side, so they match up as best you can in the middle. And then you're going to open it back up, so you should now have 4 equal rectangles. Now this bit, what you need to do is put your finger on the edge of the piece of paper and just try to push it in. You're then going to make this fold match up with the one inside. So just like that. Hold it down and fold those edges. So you've got a bit of a house shape on the end. You're going to do the same with this side. So run your finger along the edge until you've got the corner. And push it down. So that this crease lines up with that fold that's underneath. And then you're going to fold those there. So you should have 2 sort of house shapes on the end of your rectangles. Then you're going to turn it over, so you've got these 2 bits chopped off the edge, and you're going to fold each of these ends back in, so down the crease that's already there. And then what you need to do is just take, you'll see that these 2 are separated into 2, just take one of them and fold it up to this corner in the middle. You should still have one laid flat on the table. The same with this one, that one's going to match into that corner. If you can get it as straight as possible. So then you should have that left. Then what you're going to do is take this triangle here, this bigger triangle, and fold it up to meet there. There should already be a crease underneath. You're just folding it to meet the top there. And you're going to turn it over and do the same thing that we've just done by folding this corner to here, this corner to here, and then bringing this one up to here. Now at this point, this is the best time for you to decorate your egg cup whilst it's laid flat, so you can do both sides with any pattern that you like, even write anything on it, whatever you choose. So then, if you look at the top, you should see these 2 loose triangles, and the bottom should be a pocket. So you're going to put your fingers into the pocket and pull outwards, and you'll see that that middle bit just starts to drop. And then just run your fingers through the middle to make the base. You just sort of crease it round with your hands to make it stand up, and then that's where your egg sits.